Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your DCB bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search DCB bank login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to pib.dcbbank.com. It will then take you to the official website of DCB Bank. There, enter your user ID, then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your DCB Bank account. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password. And if you haven't registered for personal internet banking, you can get help by clicking to Register for Personal Internet Banking. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.